Good morning, guys. Today I'm at this GeoSuite Residences. Here, out from the lift just now, what we can see is development. They are building something here today. I guess it's another hotel or another suite. Come and look here. This the other building. They are building a new blocks opposite this Geo Hotel and Resort. I'm going back to my room. Come, let's follow me. My room is 9th floor and the number is 11. Now this is the number 11, 9th floor. Let's go in. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To my left, there is one extra bedroom. And to my right, there is a balcony whereby they can do some washing machine of clothes. And to another right of it, there is a toilet here. Very clean and very big and spacious. And to the right of it, there is a dry kitchen whereby we have the fridge, the oven, utensil, dishes, and also not forgetting the stove. And we also have this water. And there's a dining table here whereby I have my coffee in a bowl. Now let's go to the main room. Come join me. This is the room. You can see that there's a mirror. This is actually the mirror, not only mirror, it adjacent to a bathroom. And they have this wardrobe also. And good to see that our bed are actually facing the Genting Highland itself. You see that? It facing the Genting Highland itself on the top hill there. I'm out of the main room, and to my right there is a big screen television, and also the beauty of overseeing the Genting Highland again. Now I'm going to sit at the big sofa here, overlooking at the Genting Highland and also the television. And here with me is Fedi, along with all our product that is Bilife Nano Propolis and also Agar Wood.